Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Greg with Ideal Trading Ideas, and today we're going to be doing a stock review on Zynga, ticker symbol ZNGA, and we're going to go through the tabs really quick, right? We have overview, news and events, financials, stock information, governance, facts, email alerts, and contact us, right? So if you want to get in contact with Zynga, obviously click on the contact tab. We have email alerts. You can put your email in and it will go ahead and send you all the latest information in regards to the Zynga stock and the brand. We have facts that'll answer any information on that. We have governance, stock information, stock quotes, charts, historical stock lookup. We have financials, quarterly earnings, SEC filings, and annual report and proxy statements, right? So to me, these are the most important things about the website because they're going to give me the information that I really need to know, especially about SEC filings. What is this company in terms of information? What are they giving to the Security and Exchange Commission, right? And we want to know exactly what they're giving out. So as we scroll down, we can take a look at recent news releases. And we have July 1st, 2021, Zynga celebrates the 2021 return of the Scripps National Spelling Bee and hit mobile game franchise Words with Friends, right? They have other news that they put out. We have latest earnings right here. Zynga first quarter 2021 results conference call. We have Q1 2021 earnings slides, Q1 2021 quarterly earnings letter, and Zynga announces first quarter 2021 financial results, right? Results and Form 10Q. So we can kind of scroll back down. They have their little mission statement right here. They're on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Zynga blog. Obviously, you can search the website for whatever you want.
Want to ring the bell?
All right. Ding, ding.
And what we want to do is continue to move forward. We're on our E-Trade account right now, and we have analyst price targets up in front of you. The average price target is $13.89. The high is going to be $15, and the low is going to be $13. In the last 3 month, 9 ranked analysts set 12-month price targets for ZNGA. The average price target amongst the analysts is $13.89, which is right there, right? Analysts compare their price targets to the current market price of the stock to determine how much potential upside or downside movement there could be in the stock price, right? So we have this orange line right here that says that within the next 12 months, Zynga should be around $15. The blue line is the average price target of $13.89, and the purple line is going to be your low of $13. So they don't think it's going to drop lower than $13. So what is the current price of Zynga right now? It's $10.63. Extended hours, which was before, $10.62. As we scroll down, we see the different analysts, right? We have Tyler Parker with the buy and the price target of $13.50. And we have Garrick Johnson with the buy, $15 price target. Brian Fitzgerald buy, $14 price target. Michael Pachter buy with a $15 price target, and Martin Yang with a buy with a $13 price target. We have analyst average returns on Zynga, so you can go through. Some are better than others. We have analyst success rate for Zynga. Some are better than others, obviously, and then we have articles, right? You can go through, click on any one of these articles, and it'll tell you exactly what these analysts are saying about Zynga, right?
What's your prediction for the fight then?
Prediction?
Yes, prediction.
Pain.
So what we're going to do is scroll up and go ahead and move forward to our TradingView website. As you can see, we have Zynga at $10.72 right now, up 8 cents for the day, or positive 0.75%. We have overview, timeline, ideas, technicals, financial, and index components. You can always click on any one of those and find out exactly what they're going to be talking about. We have August 5th with the upcoming earnings report for Zynga. We have a negative EPS of negative 0.34%. We have a market cap of 11.6 billion, and they don't give out any dividends as of right now, right? So we've already clicked on the ideas portion because we want to find out exactly what people are talking about in reference to Zynga. We have all our top authors right here on the right hand side, so you can click on those guys and follow them, and they'll put out whatever information they need to put out in terms of what they believe the stock is going to be going to, right? So we have a Zynga forecast that's on the daily chart put out July 6th, right? Consolidation has been broken upwards with the minimum target level around $13.20, right? We have 3 people liking that with 2 comments, right? You can always click on it just to find out exactly what this person is saying, and we can click on play just to show you what's going on both sides. And we can kind of scroll down. Consolidated has been broken upwards, and then trade is active, right? So this person is saying, hey, their trade is still active. They haven't updated their stuff from July 7th, right? We're going to scroll up click on the X to kind of get up out of there. I'm gonna scroll down. We have this person right here with this is a bullish consolidation pattern from Zynga put out on June 30th. We have somebody else that put some information out on July 5th. We can kind of scroll down. This is the weekly chart, July 3rd. Most people believe that this is going to be long, right? So it's going to go up in value. As we scroll up, you can click on the Trade Now tab, and it's going to take you to your charts, right? So now we're inside our weekly chart. If you want to change that to daily, monthly, minutes, 1 hour, you can just click right there and just scroll down and click on whatever you want. Right now we're on the weekly chart. I like to have it on the weekly, right? So these red lines and blue lines are going to be our support and resistance lines. Red lines being resistance, blue lines being our support, and we have it mocked up with the 52-week highs and lows, right? So as we scroll back, I'll show you that I've did this all the way up to 2016, and I actually pushed it back even further to kind of show you the 2012 resistance line and 2011 resistance line. The reason why I did this is because Zynga hasn't actually been that high since 2012 and 2011 when it actually came online, right? When it actually did its IPO, right? So as we scroll through and we're back over here to the 2020, we noticed that really the pandemic had no effects on Zynga. It dropped down to a low of about $5.64, but after that, it continued to just go up and up and up, right? And its high for that time period was about $10.70, right? Then we go over into 2020, and we see that we now have a new high of about $12.30, right? So analysts are already saying that they believe Zynga is going to be back in the $15 price range, and as we know, $15.92 is our resistance area from back in 2012, right? And our resistance area right here, which is going to be 1154, is our resistance area from 2011. We've already broke the 2011 resistance once. It shouldn't be a problem for us to break it again. But as you can see, it's been consolidating for some time frame, right? Obviously this is for the week, so we can say, hey, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, about 19 weeks it's been still consolidating, right? So it's trying to figure out which direction it wants to go. Is it going to break out and go towards that $15 price target that analysts are saying, or is it going to drop down below? Personally, I think that we're going to see a small drop back down into the $9 area, and before we start pulling off and going towards that $13 to $15 price target that analysts are saying. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I would do with my own money and what I am going to do with my own money.
You're gonna eat lightning and you're gonna crap thunder.
Now, these little blue boxes that you see right here are areas that I feel like it could possibly drop down to, and we could get in for a nice buy. So remember, the first area I'm thinking is right around here, maybe in the $9 range, $9.50ish or high nines. We could get in for a buy, or if it continues to drop past that range, then I feel like the next target will be somewhere around in the $8 or the low $7 range, right? Could it drop lower than that? Possibility. It could hit this red resistance line from 2019, use it as a support line, and then bounce off and start going up, right? Which means that it's going to be a slow movement on up into the rest of the year of 2021 going into 2022, and we'll probably see that price target of 15 or higher in the year of 2022 and not in 2021 if it drops down that low, right? Hopefully it doesn't for the people that already own the stock shares.
I pity the fool.
But we're going to just keep an eye on it because we do want to buy call options on Zynga in the near future. So what am I going to take a look at? I'm going to click on my Fidelity account real quick. And I just want to look at some call options and what was going on. So today's biggest trades right now and what people are putting in for in terms of Zynga, right? So right now we have $11.50 call options that expiring on July 30th. And this person has 132 of quantity, right? So that's quite a lot of contracts, right? In terms of Zynga. It's out there for a particular period of time. And we have other ones right here call options for $20, 50 at a time. It's crazy, and it's coming from the same place from what it seems. So for those of you who like to do covered calls that own 100 shares or more, we have all the information for the covered calls, all the information for the puts right here. And if you're just doing it, we'll go down to July 30th right here, and we'll say that, hey, Zynga is somewhere in that $10.50 range right now. So we're going to look right around, let's say, the 1150 range. Right now, they're willing to give you $13 per 100 shares. That's 13 cents times 100 shares, which is going to be $13, right? So at 1150, they're willing to give you $13 up front to say you're going to sell at 1150, right? So just want to show that to you guys that that are thinking about making money, that are holding on to 100 shares or more. You can make a little bit more money if you decide to go ahead and do a covered call option trade on that. But anyway, what we want to do is what we want to say is that, hey, we appreciate you guys for taking a look at the channel. Please like, comment, subscribe on our channel. Let us know if you really like the information that we're putting out. Hey, remember to enjoy your day, man. Have a great day, and hey, please subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.